So you've spent months building your web app and now it's time to show it off to the world. In this video, we'll learn how to compile a web app and host it on GitHub pages. For simple web apps, you have many different options for hosting, but one of the easiest is GitHub pages. It's free and you can get your app online in just a few minutes. The process can be summarized in 4 steps. First, we'll build our app. Then we'll create a new repository for the build artifacts. Then we'll push our changes. And finally, we'll configure GitHub pages so that it can find our build artifacts. To begin, let's build our app for distribution. Type this command into the terminal to generate all of the assets for our web app. The artifacts are placed in the build folder under build/web. Now we'll need to create a new repository for the build artifacts in GitHub. Log into your GitHub account and click on the new button to create a new repository. Give it a name and hit create repository. We'll use all of the default settings, so leave those alone. Now in your terminal, make a new folder for our demo website. Copy and run the instructions from GitHub to add a new README and initialize our repository. Now copy all of our build artifacts to this new folder. Commit the build artifacts and push them to the repository. Now head on over to the settings page in GitHub. Here we'll set the source for our website to the main branch and we'll hit save. Now you may have to wait up to 5 minutes for our website to become live. To streamline the process, you can add a makefile to your source repository and run a single command to deploy your app. You just learned how to deploy your Flutter web app in less than 2 minutes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.